Hello everyone, welcome to Watch6 Helper channel. Today we have something special to unbox and talk about. This is a new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Here is the box of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Look at that stylish Samsung logo and the name of the model. Let's open it and see what we have got. And here they are, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. They are sitting snugly in a special holder, nicely presented. Take a look at those watches. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has a good design that's both stylish and practical. The watch case is made from the good material, and the strap is really comfy. Check out the screen. It's a colorful Super Amoled display. It's bright, clear and touch sensitive, which means you can control the watch with just a tap. The watch is easy to set up and connect thanks to prompts. Those smartwatches do a lot of things. They track your activity, measure your heart rate, monitor your sleep, and even help you with the breathing exercises. They also have NFC for payments, GPS for directions, and tons of other useful stuff. I'm really impressed with those watches. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is a stylish and smart accessory that goes well with any outfit. The watch is slightly heavier and wider than the version I wore before. Thanks for watching the unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. In addition, I'm recording a review in English. What do you think about my English? Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. We like your likes. See you next time!